Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete your Clickup account. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To delete your Clickup account, go open your web browser first, type in app.clickup.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Clickup account if necessary. Now, unfortunately, you won't be able to delete your Clickup account. Instead, you'll only get to delete your workspace. So in order to delete your workspace, go to the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen from your home screen. Once you do that, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. This will open up your Workspace Settings option. In order to delete your workspace, click on Delete Workspace option over here. Now, in order to delete your workspace, you'll need to copy this name over here at the top, go to the text field and simply paste in your name. In order to permanently delete all third-party data and not allow recovery for this workspace, check this box over here at the bottom and finally click on Delete. If you have any more workspace left, you can simply repeat the step and there you go. That is the only thing you can do when it comes to deleting your Clickup account. Since you cannot delete your Clickup account altogether, you'll need to delete the workspace quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.